The Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, in collaboration with the District Election Officer, East Khasi Hills, today organized a state-level function to launch the special summary revision and draft publication of photo electoral rolls at the conference room of the DC's office. Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari and DC East Khasi Hills RM Kurba handed over draft electoral rolls to the leaders of the various political parties. Meanwhile, State Chief Electoral Officer, in a press conference held yesterday, said there are 21,86,151 electorates in the state, including 3/3 gender voters. The CEO informed that there are 3,482 polling stations across the state. He also said that as per the special summary revision, the period for filing of claim and objections is October 27th to December 9th.
It will be. Here we are having the online, offline mode, watered down. 6 in East Garo Hill, 2 in West Garo Hill, 4 in South Garo. Now it is ongoing process. It is not, this is a special campaign for the special summary revision for the electoral roll, but that is ongoing process. So after 5th January, in respect to the qualifying date of 1/1/2024, if person has 18 years of age and they left, they can file after that also. And prior to that, so ongoing process is there. So claims and objections disposal is also an ongoing process.